Hey everybody, Paige Marvil with the Jungle Team, and I am here at 7768 Caminito, Monarca. That is in the Monarch Villas of Carlsbad, and let me tell you, this place is gorgeous. Sunday 1 to 4, I will be here hosting this gorgeous townhome, and it is 2 bedrooms, 1,200 square feet. We have 2 bedrooms on the top level, so the second level, and then we also have 1 half bathroom on the main level, in addition to an adorable little yard that is very private. It's like urban meets suburban. You get the best of both worlds. It's walking distance to Equinox, and it's also walking distance to Lofty Coffee that just opened up, an adorable coffee shop. And then you are right around the corner from the Forum. And even if schools aren't important to you because you don't have kids that are going there, it does matter for resale. So we've got Encinitas School District and San Diego schools for the middle and the high school. So phenomenal schools, wonderful value here. So if you've been looking to get into Carlsbad, this is the place for you. I can't wait to show it to you. You're getting a little bit of a sneak peek of the gorgeous upgrades here behind me. Move to the side so you can get a little bit better look, but looking forward to seeing you this weekend, and have a great week. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.